In order to use the Bing AI image generator on your mobile, you need to install an app, and that is called Bing. You can go to the Play Store, search the word Bing and download this app. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll see this kind of an icon. Open this app. First time you need to sign in with your email account, and once you're done, click on the center button which is called chat. Here you'll see the same interface that you'll see on your mobile. Now they have given this option of use ChatGPT 4. You can click on that, but regardless of ChatGPT 4 or not, you can use the Bing image generator by giving a prompt. I'm just going to give him a prompt that create an image of a sunset in winter on mountains, and let's see that what does it do. The point that you need to remember is that whatever the prompt that you give to the ChatGPT, you need to mention the word create. So only then it will give you the it will start to create an image generator, and the first prompt or message it will say that I'll try to create that, and then you will see that your image is being generated. You need to wait for some time, and then you will get 4 different versions of the images. You can click any one of them to enlarge, or you can go back and click any other image to see the larger version of that image. You can save this image on your online collection, or you can click these 3 horizontal dots and then click download. So once your image is downloaded, you can just click on that. Now you can see that this is the image that was created by the Bing AI image creator.